Well, we made it to the room. So I got quite a bit coming up the sides, up there. I removed the door so that I can get behind the door pretty well. I still got it going up the sides. And then I can remove that seam for sure. And then I have another seam here. And then, what we got? And another seam right there. Couldn't even see it. So that worked out pretty well. And then I'll trim down the edge a little bit around, and then I'll start tucking. I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to kind of do a couple cuts, just kind of where the wall is. And I'm going to just score it along here. Because I have hardwood here, I'm going to try and tuck the carpet in between the tack strip and the wood. So what I need to do, I need to measure and make sure I have enough. Okay, let's measure it, see where we need to go to. So we want to go all the way up to this one right here. Does it fit? It does. Perfect. So, let's set this first one. Notwithstanding the mess, done. All right, time to go back to Home Depot and return the tools.